Hi guys, it's been a while for me. I mean, it's only been a couple days, but for me with YouTube and you guys, that's a really long time. I don't even remember the last time I ever went this long without posting. And it is Thanksgiving Day, so I wanted to come on here and tell you all happy Thanksgiving, and I hope you're having a really good day. And I'm so thankful for you guys obviously being here and giving me your time and just being so incredibly kind to a stranger on the internet. So thank you so much for that, because if it wasn't like that, I just don't think I could continue on and continue to do this for as long as I've been doing this. And if for those of you that, like, you know, read my book and all of that, like, you know how important of a role you've played in my life. And so for those of you that didn't read it and didn't know the context, I wish I could honestly convey how thankful I truly am for you. And I wish I was good enough at putting the words together for you to understand that, and I'm just not. But thank you so much for keeping me here another year on YouTube, and I'll continue to be here as long as you want to watch me. So want to start off by saying that. Comment and let me know what you're personally doing for Thanksgiving. It's gonna be Micah and I this year, but with a twist, because as most of you know, my stepdad moved from Georgia to Texas, so that's super exciting. I actually don't remember the last time we spent Thanksgiving together. I feel like Micah was in middle school, so it was a long time ago. And so it's gonna be then too, and I'm just really excited about it. So, you know, I'm just doing like normal, I don't know what you would call it, traditional. I'm doing the turkey, it's cooking right now. I'm also doing just like my favorites of like mashed potatoes, rolls. I'm actually gonna do carrots this year, and we're gonna do like mac and cheese. There's just a lot of sides for some reason. My mom's like bringing a salad and I think a pumpkin pie, but I'm making like cherry, apple, pecan, I don't know. I guess we want to dip into a variety this year, but that's what we're doing. And of course the Dallas Cowboys always traditionally play on Thanksgiving, and yeah, so that's that. I don't do any like Black Friday shopping. Like, that kind of crowds like makes me so incredibly nervous. But is that still a thing? Like, do people, like, after Thanksgiving tonight, are they gonna go like camp out in tents and wait in a line? Like, I don't even know if that's a thing, but one year my brother and I were like, let's just go drive around and like see all the people that are like waiting in line for the Black Friday deals, and it was wild. Like, seeing the line out the door of like Best Buy and Walmart, and I bet that was a good time. Like, for me, that's kind of a nightmare, but like also it's just, there's something about like just watching people do life. I don't know. Am I making sense? Anyways, okay. I have a little haul from Dollar Tree. So if you want to hang out with me and you just need a little company on Thanksgiving, because I know not everyone's situation is always the same. You know, a lot of the time, I mean, I've been grateful and thankful enough that I've had Micah, but a lot of the time it's just been me and her. So I've had like big Thanksgivings and super small ones. And so if this can make anyone feel like it gives you company, then I hope it does that. So I'll show you guys what I got from Dollar Tree. I actually went to San Antonio, and I have a San Antonio haul for you guys, but I haven't filmed it yet. So that is probably coming tomorrow, I think. So stay tuned for that. We're getting back on track with the videos, and yes, the decorating is coming back as well. So yeah, I picked up my favorite popcorn bags. You guys already know, I don't know. I love these things so much. They're super cute. Even if you don't junk journal or scrapbook in any capacity, these are really darling to like have a little movie night, have a theme of some sort. I picked up more of these dips. I decided that they're just too cute for me not to like want a second backup. So the first time that I hauled the Snoopy, I was just so blown away by actually how cute this is, especially now that like you guys know my favorite love hobby. Like this hobby truly like is the love of my life as a hobby, and I just wish I would have discovered it a lot earlier in life. But it makes you see materials so differently. Because with junk journaling, it's like, it can be anything. It can be like leftover candy box and bags and all kinds of things. So I just thought the little Snoopy was so cute. And I'm gonna like try to use the window of it. Like, obviously I can't use the thickness of it to junk journal with, but I just want this part and this little flap. And I thought that would be super cute for that. Same concept with the fun dip of Santa. Now this one is a bonus item, so like keep that in mind. But you do also obviously get the candy that's in here. So junk journaling is not your thing. They do come with like candy. I mean, but just look how cute the covers are. Dollar Tree. Go to Dollar Tree and get your stocking stuffers. They're so good. There's no need for stocking stuffers to always be like some big ordeal. I picked up another box of these. These are the Smarties mini candy canes. This is the first year I've seen Dollar Tree even do Smarties. I don't even know if like Smarties in general, this is their first year doing a candy cane. I've never seen it like at a Walmart before, but it is the first time I've seen it at Dollar Tree. Once again, I'm also gonna save the front part of the box because there's this little see-through aspect. I think that would be cute to journal with. I decided that if I saw these guys again, I definitely needed to pick them up. The little gingerbreads. When I was hauling it and I went back and I was editing myself and I saw how cute they were, I was like, you know how I do it. You know how I do it. I need therapy. Why do I need to go get a second one of them? You know what, where it stemmed from? It actually started with a pair of shoes. Like, you're just gonna be my therapist today. The reason why I do buy things in twos most of the time is because I had these pair of shoes that I loved so much and like wore them till they were gone. And then it's, you know, years later, like they lasted several good years. But then by that time they weren't anywhere. I couldn't find them on eBay or Poshmark or anything. And I really loved those shoes so much that I was just like slightly devastated. Too big of a stretch of a word for this situation, but I think that's why I do it. Cause I'm like, oh, if I love it, let me just, you know, just so that it'll last me for however long I need it to last. I think that's where all that came from. Then I found some new gourmet coffee. The gold foil is lovely. I think it's gonna look so cute in a burr basket. This is a great blend, family owned Supreme ground coffee. It's a medium roast. Never seen this brand at Dollar Tree before, so it's definitely new. And then I found this massive box of hot cocoa mix, but it's a cinnamon toast crunch like collab. Why do I keep doing this? What is that? No artificial colors or preservatives. Really? Are they starting to get better about this? But yeah, it's a cinnamon toast crunch Cinnamilk. Naturally and artificially flavored. How the hell can you say that over here and then this over here? Wait a minute. No artificial colors or preservatives, but it's artificially flavored. Is that a lawsuit? Okay. I don't know. But you get 6 envelopes of the drink mix and then 6 envelopes of the marshmallow and Cinnadust flavored mix. Okay, that's new. I've never seen a Dollar Tree before. Then I had to get this candle. Look at this gorgeous star candle. I also saw it in green. Something tells me there's probably a red option. If you know, please comment and let us all know what is out there. Because you know, with Dollar Tree, it's hard to know what you know? This is a vanilla cashmere. So the gold is vanilla cashmere. I forget what the green one was. I did not get the green one. This is $5. But you know what? For a large candle, plus the shape of it is amazing. So once you're done with the candle, you can remake the candle again yourself, and you have the most beautiful, like this thing is heavy, you guys. This is super good quality, and you know I love vanilla. It is vanilla cashmere. It also smells luxurious. I don't think that it smells cheap, in my opinion. So that is something I do look for, you know? I mean, you pay for what you get. Like, that's the general golden rule, right? But to me, that does not smell cheap in the slightest. Then I found another Guru Nanda product at Dollar Tree. Why does this keep happening? This stuff keeps showing up now and in like a bunch of different formats. I'm gonna have to sit on this hand. This is a sinus rinse bottle. I mean, great time for the season. If somebody's sick too, if you wanna put together like a get well basket of sorts. I mean, I've done tons of videos like that in the past with Dollar Tree. I think this would be a really good thing to have, you never know. Then I found another Home Bright product. This Home Bright is now in my radar as a brand. You know my fingers wanted to do it. You saw that. I'm not gonna pretend like, yeah. But I'm all about looking at brands at Dollar Tree. I'm all about figuring out, are they here to stay? What are they all about? What's their niche? Home Bright is obviously a cleaning product, I would say. And it's definitely new to Dollar Tree. And unfortunately, that's not a sticker. These are bottle cleaner tabs. What? This is definitely new, and you get 12 individual tablets in here. So that's really cool. I love that. I also picked up more of my masks. So I got like the little lip ones. These are gonna be a cute pickup for stocking stuffers. You get 2 different lip masks in here. So like the orange one is like a mango and shea butter. It's a softening mask. And then the red one is moisturizing with cherry and collagen. And then I'm just obsessed with the little hot cocoa ones. So cute for the season too. I love that. And you know I love Be Pure. Then I found some new hot and cold eye pads. Brace yourselves because they're precious. The little glitter stars on the inside, you know I'm loving that. How freaking adorable is this? I think it's giving New Year's Eve, holiday, like, I absolutely love these, and of course it's gonna be done by Be Pure. Who else? Like, you would expect it from like Sassy and Chic too, but I haven't seen from them. Then I found this Monday brand. Is this a huge brand actually, or is this a dupe to a huge brand? Because I've seen this at Target, I think. Obviously these are the travel size, and I did find the shampoo and conditioner. I love the packaging of this actually, and I'm very excited. I'm gonna put this with like my travel stuff. It's for curly and frizzy hair. That's me. I have the most like super natural curly yet wavy. I wish it was like one or the other. When you have a combination of curly and wavy, it just looks like you look like a lunatic. I hate to say it. For all of us that are curly and slash wavy. Like if it's just wavy, ooh, like you wake up, you can kind of almost go about your day that way. If it's full on curly, you know, gotta do a little touch up, go on about your day. But if you're both, there's no saving that. Because it just looks like you did half of your hair and then not half of it. It's a hot mess. Anyways, these I thought were a great find. Then I found this lip oil by Beauty Intuition. Also, I'm taking note of this brand too and noticing they're on the scene a lot more at Dollar Tree. And they've been putting out banger after banger, honestly. This is a hydrating, nourishing lip oil, and it is lemon scented, which is shocking to me because I think I would have guessed honey, but look how cute it is. I think this is a dupe to something, like the shape of this bottle is a dupe to something, but a stocking stuffer nonetheless. And I found this little cutie set. These are called Sweet Lips, and they're scented lip balms, again by Beauty Intuition. So this one's strawberry frosting. And this one is cherry on top. And this one is cake batter. This one's cake batter. Cherry on top, strawberry frosting. That's super cute. I love the mini too. That's another thing, I just want to point that out. I mentioned this a while back about Dollar Tree, but little tiny mini versions of anything. Shampoo bottles, lip balms, glosses, mascara. It's very trendy right now. So it's cool to see Dollar Tree keep up with the trends. And then I found more Beauty Intuition, and I found these Gourmand whatever lip balms, and they are so freaking cute. I'm wondering if I found the whole collection or not, but look at these. And they're right up my alley because I love anything that's like food related. So the brown one's gonna be Rainbow Cookie, but why? Like, why couldn't that have been like on the back? Why in this big red thing where you can't remove it? So yeah, this is Rainbow Cookie. Long wearing, hydrating and moisturizing. Again, Beauty Intuition. Then we have Lemon Meringue. Also, this is slightly reminding me of Strawberry Shortcake. Just like each is a character. You know, like Lemon Meringue and Rainbow Cookie. And then we have Red Velvet. I love that. I don't think I've ever seen a red velvet anything at Dollar Tree. So that's really good. We've got coconut cream, like a coconut cream pie. That actually sounds good. I've never had a coconut cream pie. And then I have a blueberry pie. I actually think that I got some of these as well when I was in San Antonio. So I think there might be like a pink version of something, but that's it. And that's my haul. So I'm really excited. I had no idea that Beauty Intuition was gonna drop all of these little goodies, but I'm really happy with what Dollar Tree's been doing, especially since that, you know, quarter increase. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. Again, I hope this video brought anyone comfort that needed it today on Thanksgiving Day. And I will see you guys tomorrow for my San Antonio Dollar Tree. I'll come back because I hit such a jackpot and I met the lady who checked me out, Henrietta. If you're watching this, it was so lovely meeting you. And I've never had like a Dollar Tree worker, I guess, know my videos. So definitely a first. And she was telling me about the hand sanitizers. I was looking for them in her store. She said the first day they put them out, they were gone. And I was just like, I bet they were. I bet they were. But luckily, if you didn't watch my previous video, my mom ended up finding them here in Dallas. So I can't wait for you guys to see though how good Henrietta's store was because my mouth dropped. So come back tomorrow for that haul and I'll see you there. Bye.